Hello everybody. So today I'm going to be installing some speakers in the rear deck of the E90 SKar Audio. I'm going to unbox it and show you what's going on. And I also have the adapters and the wires and everything to make sure this is a nice clean install. No cutting of wires going to be necessary. Everything is clip up and plug in. So stay tuned for that.
Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Turn on the live, come we live, yes sir. Me have the 5, yes sir. We outside.
Alright, so SKar Audio, these are some 4-inch coaxial speakers. Check this out here. Box looking alright, looking clean. Well, quick open up for you guys. People love unboxing, but I'm gonna just open this up real quick, set it up. Doing this thing with one hand ain't that easy, so let's just put the camera down. Temporary. Comes with the instructions. Comes with a little decal. Imagine yourself opening up this now. Slice. Go at one side, you don't need that. Alright, comes with a grill. Don't need a grill because you know how the E90 is set up already, but this is basically the speaker right here. Nice carbon surround, rubber surrounds. To this right here. Hefty thing. Nice heavy magnet, good weight to it. Move this out the way. Slide up this one. Another grill, this. Alright, so one thing I see about this I don't like, you get speakers, the grills, but you don't get no wires to attach to these. What luckily a guy like me was already prepared and know what to expect, so I got these. These are the adapter wires to plug up straight into the BMW, so I don't have to cut the factory harness. So all we gotta do, I got the spade connectors here to connect to the end of this wire to attach to this end of the speaker here, and we'll be good to go. And then I also have adapter rings. I got these 3D printed, so that way when I install into the car, because if you know factory BMWs, this has 4 mounting points. The factory one only has 3. When I go in the car, I'm going to show you and let you see the difference. And that's how this is set up now. It has the 3 mounting points and then 4 for this to screw on to the speaker. So let me put this down and get started. Connect up the spade connectors to this. Then we'll put the adapter on the speaker. Then we're going to go in the car and hook all of that up. So stay tuned for more. Let me put the camera where I can position it so you can see what's going on. So each speaker is going to get 2 of these, because now I can connect this and it's going to connect to where the old speaker connected. And this is also so the tweeter that's in the car gets connected as well. So this is very simple enough. I'm going to clip these ends, put the red with the red, put the blue one with the black, and connection right here, red wire, black wire, simple enough. So since I can't do this with one hand, let me put the camera down and I'll be right back. Alright, so we're back now. You see what I did? I crimped this together in the spade connector. Got the red one, same basically setup. It's not focusing, but yeah. I'm gonna connect the red to here and blue one to the black, which is still the black wire. Negative and positive. Let me hold this good so we can put this on. Simple enough like that. Then I'll just basically crimp that to make sure that stays on tight. Just kind of use the pliers or something. And this one is the same thing. Connect up here. Boom. And then now we'll be connecting the factory wires right into this. When I go in the car, I'll show you that. But now I'm gonna connect the adapter to here. I might do this when I get in the car still, but you can put it on top like this and just screw it in, or you can make it drop. I can screw it on top like this, or I can have them drop in to the adapter, say like inside here like that. I think that's what I'm gonna do it that way. We should be good. Let me hold on. Let me put this camera down so that way you guys should just know it's simple. Match up the holes and screw them in. So I don't think I need to show you guys that. Okay. Finishing screwing this up, do it to the other speaker, then we heading outside. Alright, so this speaker's attached to the adapter. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have the wire set up. So when we go in the car, everything is just plug and play. Pull out the old one, drop in this, and we should be good to go. Now let me go do the same to this speaker, so I'll be ready to go when I'm outside. I will have links in the description where you can get the 3D printed adapters and also the wiring. My boy is the one that 3D printed them. Bronx Prints. He does 3D printing and all other kind of printing as well. But right now, more focused on the 3D thing. And for those who are interested, who's gonna want to get the adapters, I can get them in different colors printed, not just white. I also can do black, red, whatever your imagination can set up. And I also put the link to the wiring and everything. So let me go and finish this up, and then I'm gonna head over to the car and get this install finished. Alright, ready to go in the car. Alright, sun is kicking out here. We in the car now, in the rear deck. So I'm gonna show you guys simply how to get this out. Very simple. Get a pry tool. Pry around here slowly, because you don't want to damage it, but you know. Okay. Oh, that was simple enough. That goes up. Pop this out. See, I damaged it. If you can look right here, popped off on both sides. The pieces right here. Shucks, you guys can't see, but all right. This is easy to come out. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, like what I explained. But the adapter, you see, is set up to work like that. The 4, and then it also has the 1, 2, 3. So let me pull that out. Let's see, I forgot what nut size that is, but alright, bum bum bum. Alright, there we go. You know what? I'm gonna give you guys some of the sound quality. I am not sure you'll be able to tell the difference over YouTube, but I will try to play a little audio before and after and see if there's a difference. There's 3 screws. Get the other one out. And these are just hand tight, so I don't even have to use the ratchet. Now, basically put this down to the side. This simply pops out like this. Then you see the two, well, I say the 2 connections right here. That's why, if you look at the wire that I got, why I got 2 now, you see? 1, 2, and on the factory speaker, we have 2 on here. See if you can see closer, get a little, see? 1, 2. So 1 for the tweeter and 1 for the regular speaker. But I'm gonna turn the radio on so you could get some kind of sound quality and hear the difference. Hopefully I don't get any copyright or, you know, thing like that. So we're comparing the factory speakers from the E90. So this is like the hi-fi system, not the Harman Kardon. And you see the paper cone. Then compared to this that has the tweeter and has a more better quality cone right here, like a carbon fiber rubber surround. It's also rubber surround too, but the cone is just paper. Better sound quality. Look at the size of the magnet and everything right here. Look at the size of this one. All right, see the comparison? Let me finish this install, put it back on the other side because I already did that side. Now finish this up and blast some drones. So I thought I was ahead of the game getting the adapter, but you can see it's way too big. You can see I thought I was ahead of the game using the adapter, but yeah, it doesn't fit. It's too big for right here. The area is too small. I think I need a smaller adapter. This adapter I know works for the doors, so I'll just save it for when I'm doing the door speakers. Now let's show how we're gonna have to do this. I'm gonna drop this in. Let's push these wires down in here. Push the wires down, and you see now I'm gonna have to utilize this one and this one. See, these line up with those, so I can definitely screw in with those. I'll just have to hold it down with these for now, and then this will have to bend this up so this can fit more flush in here. But definitely when I fix and clean that up, I'll let you know, but at least the grill will still cover. So you guys know if you get a coaxial speaker that has the tweeter in the middle, you have no problem fitting in this space right here. Let me button this up and I'll be done, run some tunes, and we'll be good to go. All right, so without the adapter, we got it screwed in to here, here, and then still use the third screw to hold it down. It's not screwed into these points, but it's held securely.
This is Ross and Biggie representing for Swift Sounds. Crazy!
All right, I'm gonna just give you that amount to say, you know, for sound quality wise, I don't want to get a copyright. I'm gonna put the other speaker in and then rewind it and go for that same intro part, and we should be good to hear a little quality difference.
This is Ross and Biggie representing for Swift Sounds. Crazy!